Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is Dancehall Skilla. Right about now, I want to show you something about the ATM. I want to be very careful in using the ATM machine, right? Right throughout the world, sometimes things like these happen where criminals put devices in the ATM in order to get your card's information, alright? So I want to take a look at this and observe.
Alright, you can push your card, what you going in? What is?
Two cell phone.
Two cell phone.
See it?
Right, what it look like?
Watch it. Kono pay ATM.
Kono pay ATM. What time now? 6:15?
6:15, yeah. Kono pay ATM.
So you're going on in Kono pay ATM. Two cameras set up. So watch when you come to right wrong the next time.
Camera active.
To right wrong the next time. The people see what they must look when they come at the ATM, what they must look for.
Put it on Facebook and get something.
Right? They must look for when you come at the ATM. Look up on top, this is what ATM is supposed to look like. This is what ATM is supposed to look like. Not like this.
Viewers and subscribers, be very, very careful when you are using the ATM, the automated teller machine, right? Be very careful. Cause right about now, nowadays the thing set like a tin set, it hard. See me? These people ain't playing. That right there, so, we just say a while ago, is a camera system, each up. And them camera system are two phone. But to show you how to show you the lengths of things what these people are doing nowadays, you know. For rip off people, hard working people, and them money, you know. Let me tell you something, viewers and subscribers. You see the green thing where you see right there, so over there where you put your card into. If you notice, them are trying to change over now for the ATM machine them, right? Because at this one I'm gonna tell you. They have one scan thing where them put something inside it. We connect to feed them computer system and then put it in it and put it over it. You need to look out for that thing. Right? When you go there, you look at it. If you see it look like a two different little green thing, don't push your card in that and call the police same time. Right? And when they put that thing there, so to you know, them have one keypad that look just like the ATM keypad, but then put it over the top of the keypad. Right? So when you go in the ATM machine now, remember now, them have the camera set up. Some of them put it there, so some of them will put it nearby, right? Right. But there's a people camera then call it, right? So when you go in the ATM now, your mind not dead, so you not think about that. Your mind did not say, yo man, I go try repair for anything, you know. You're just thinking about going there, get your cash, go buy what you need to buy and go home or go where you're going. So when you go now and push your card in the thing, the fake green thing where they put over it, which is for them card reader, read your card, you know, right? And then when you press the button here, so now, you see me? And then on top of it now, the camera capture the code for your thing. See me? So what I tell you, my viewers and subscribers, is look at the ATM machine properly. Now me not tell if you go in there go kick, punch and rip up and beat up the people and thing and go damage it, because believe you me, you will get into trouble for damaging you know, the bank's property or whatever property. But all I'm saying is open on the eye ball and look, cause this is very serious. You see me? The thing set like a tin set, my brother. Hard, it tough. Alright? Yeah, well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, me go more open the eyes on certain things. That's what I say. Anyways, let me know what you think about something like this. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself.